Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is My Knowledge Path, and today we have to discuss regarding the proper nouns. आज के वीडियो में proper nouns के बारे में देखना है. In my previous video we have seen regarding the common nouns. What were those common nouns or which were those common nouns? The common nouns, these were the common nouns. For example, king, queen, seed, person, animal, flower, river, subject, poet, movie, song, ocean, language. So many other things are involved in the common nouns. Whereas proper noun क्या होता है और common noun क्या होता है? अब प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन क्या है? वह किंग है, राजा, कौन सा भी राजा हो सकता है. क्वीन है, रानी, कौन सी भी रानी हो सकती है. सीर है, साधु है बाबा, कौन से भी साधु हो सकते हैं. पर्सन, इंसान, कौन सा भी इंसान हो सकता है. एनिमल, जानवर, कौन सा भी जानवर हो सकता है. फ्लावर, फूल, कौन सा भी फूल हो सकता है. रिवर, नदी, कौन सी भी नदी हो सकती है. सब्जेक्ट, एक विषय है, कौन सा भी हो सकता है. पोएट, एक कवि है, कौन सा भी हो सकता है. मूवी, एक सिनेमा है, कौन सा भी हो सकता है. सॉन्ग, गीत, कौन सा भी हो सकता है. ओशन, समुंदर, कौन से भी हो सकते हैं. सो दीज वेर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कॉमन नाउन्स. नाउ वी हैव टू स्टडी रिगार्डिंग द प्रॉपर नाउन्स. प्रॉपर नाउन्स की स्टडी करनी है हमें. व्हाट इज द इंटेंशन ऑफ माय स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास? माय स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास इंटेंशन इज ओनली वन, that is my listeners should not go wrong. मेरा सुनने वाला जो कोई ऑडियंस है, जो मेरा हमदर्द है, वो कोई क्यों नहीं होता, वो बात करते समय या लिखते समय रॉन्ग नहीं जाना. He should not go wrong. Up. Now common and proper. Now what are the propers? Just I will give the examples, then you will come to know what do you mean by the common and the proper. What do you mean by the common noun as well as the proper noun? डाउट कब क्लियर होता है? क्लियर कट आपको यहां लिख के बताने से just you will come to know what exactly is the difference between the common name and the proper name. Now you see please, common name and proper name. Now king is a common, whereas try to understand, whereas the proper name, which one is that? Now king is, now King Richard, King Richard the Third. Richard the Third, what it is? It is the common name. In the same way, what is Raja Vadayar? It is also the example of proper name. After that, King Julius Caesar. What it is? Julius Caesar. What it was? Julius Caesar. It is one of the greatest dramas of William Shakespeare. And what it is? This is the example of what we can say the particular or the proper name. What it is? King, King Richard, Julius Caesar. After that, King Lear. Okay. So what these are? These are the examples of proper noun. King is there, Raja Vadayar is there, Julius Caesar is there. In the same way, Richard the Third is there. Again, what were there? Akbara was there. In the same way, what were there? Shivaji was there. In the same way, Bajirao was there. So what these were? These are the examples of what we can say proper name. And king is common, whereas Richard the Third, Julius Caesar, King Lear, Bajirao. In the same way, so many Indian great kings were there. Rana Pratap Singh, the same way. Such type of the examples are the what we can say examples of the proper name. Now the queen, what it is? Queen Elizabeth. Understand? Queen Elizabeth. So what it is? Queen is a common name, whereas Elizabeth, in the same way, what we can say? Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai. Understand? Veer Rani Kittur Channamma. Vanake Vabbava. What these are? These are the examples of these are the examples of proper name. For example, Queen Elizabeth. After that, Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai. In the same way, what we can say? Kittur Channamma. What these are? These are the examples of what are these? The common nouns. Remember, my dears, king is what I mean to say that, sorry, King is the example of common name, whereas King Richard, Julius Caesar, King Lear, these are the examples of proper name. Queen is a common name, whereas Queen Elizabeth or Rani Lakshmibai, Kittur Channamma, Vanake Obbava, such type of the names are the examples of proper name. In the same way, Sir is there. Sir Sadhu Heva. For example, Swami Vivekananda was there. Swami Vivekananda was there. In the same way, what you can say, Swami Vivekananda was there, and there were great sadhus were there. For example, Osho and so many other. What are the names of the Sirs are there in India? There are so many Sirs are there. So now Sir is a common name, whereas that particular name as a proper name. In the same way, person uncountable, as you have been told. What you have been told, in the population of India is more than 125 crores. So each and every person has the name. For example, Hari is there, Rama is there, Hari is there, Rama is there, Sita is there, Ravana also is there, Lakshmana also is there. Understand? In the same way, what we can say, Ismail also is there, Zabi also is there. So what these are? These are the names of proper nouns. After that, animal. Now animal, what it is? Animal is the name, or it is a common name, whereas tiger, lion, giraffe, buffalo, after that ox, cow, what these are? These are the names of the animals, and animal is a common name, whereas tiger, lion, giraffe, buffalo, ox, cow, these are the proper names. जानवर ये क्या है बाबा? ये एक आम जानवरों के लिए यूज किया गया है, कॉमन नेम है, लेकिन ये पर्टिकुलर जानवर के लिए यूज किया जाता है, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? प्रॉपर नाउन कहा जाता है। एनिमल कौन सी कैटेगरी में फैमिली में आता है? टाइगर एनिमल के फैमिली में आता है, लॉयन, जिराफे, बफेलो, ऑक्स, काउ. इन द सेम वे फ्लावर, रोज इज देयर, पेरीविंकल इज देयर, after that what we can say, periwinkle is there, rose is there, in the same way jasmine is there, in the same way lily is there, in the same way marigold is there. So what these are? These are the examples of these are the examples of proper noun. Flower is a common noun, whereas rose, periwinkle, jasmine, lily, marigold, ये जितने भी क्या है वह नाउन जो है, ये क्या होते हैं? प्रॉपर नाउन में आते हैं. थोड़ा ध्यान दे दो, कॉमन और प्रॉपर में क्या फर्क है? कॉमन का मतलब क्या है? सबके लिए यूज किया जाता है. प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर उसी थिंग को लिए यूज किया जाता है. जैसे कि किंग, ये कॉमन है, किंग के भी राजा को किंग बोल के पुकारा जाता था. अब किंग रिचर्ड ये पर्टिकुलर है, जूलियस सीजर पर्टिकुलर है, किंग लियर पर्टिकुलर है, शिवाजी महाराज पर्टिकुलर है. उसके साथ साथ क्या है बाबा? बहुत सारे किंग है, जैसे कि बाजीराव थे, शिवाजी महाराज थे, या ये किंग थे. इन द सेम वे क्वीन एलिजाबेथ है, अंडरस्टैंड. उसके साथ साथ रानी लक्ष्मीबाई है, उसके साथ साथ कित्तूर रानी चन्नम्मा है. अब सी या स्वामी साधु, उसके साथ स्पेशली स्वामी विवेकानंदा, अंडरस्टैंड, ही वाज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द व्हाट यू कैन से seers in our India, because yes, until and unless, what I mean to say that, just we have just what I mean to say that there is need not to go further, because everyone should know very well regarding Swami Vivekananda. Understand, Swami Vivekananda, एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट आता है, उस इंसिडेंट आने के बाद उनको अमेरिका में पूछा जाता है, स्वामी विवेकानंदा, why you did not shake hand in India, why the ladies are not going to shake hand in India? तब क्या कहते हैं? स्वामी विवेकानंद कहते हैं, क्या है बाबा, हमारे हिंदुस्तान की हर एक नारी क्या है? ये कैसी है? रानी की तरह है, और रानी के हाथ नहीं मिलाए जा सकते, बल्कि रानी के पैर पड़े जाते हैं. ठीक उसी तरह, just she gives one of the examples. Understand? So in the same way, person is there. Person, Hari is there, Rama is there, Sita is there, Ravana is there, Lakshman is there, Ismail is there, Zabi is there. So uncountable names are there. एनिमल, एनिमल में क्या है हुआ, शेर है, बबर शेर है, जिराफे है, जिराफे इज द टॉलेस्ट एनिमल ऑफ ऑल द एनिमल्स इन द वर्ल्ड कहा जाता है, अंडरस्टैंड। एंड जस्ट फ्रॉम वेयर द जिराफे इज देयर, जिराफे कहां से आया है, जिराफे इज द एनिमल ऑफ व्हाट वी कैन से अफ्रीका, अंडरस्टैंड। अफ्रीका में क्या है हुआ, ये जिराफे जस्ट व्हाट वी कैन से पाए जाते हैं। इन द सेम वे बफेलो, ऑक्स, काउ, flower, rose is there, periwinkle is there, jasmine is there, lily is there, marigold is there. In the same way, what we can say, river is there, Baba. What is river? For example, which of the rivers are there? Rivers. What is Ganga river is there? It's the longest river of all the rivers in India. Sutlej is there. After that, what we can say, Tungabhadra is there. Tungabhadra is there. What it is? तुंगभद्रा, गंगा स्नान तुंगा पान, यानी कि गंगा के अंदर स्नान करना है और तुंगभद्रा का क्या करना है, वह पानी पीना है, ऐसा कहा जाता है, गंगा स्नान तुंगा पान। इन द सेम वे व्हाट इट इज देयर, ब्रह्मपुत्रा इज देयर, ब्रह्मपुत्रा इज देयर, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी व्हाट वी कैन से रिवर्स आर देयर, गंगा, जमुना, सरस्वती इज देयर, अंडरस्टैंड, सरस्वती इज देयर, तलकावेरी इज देयर, तलकावेरी इज देयर, Talakaveri is there. So these are the names of rivers. River is common, whereas Ganga, Sutlej, Tungabhadra, Brahmaputra, Saraswati, Talakaveri, these are the common names. After that, subject, uncountable subjects are there. For example, English is there, Kannada is there, Kannada is there, Maths is there, Hindi is there, Urdu is there, Urdu is there. In the same way, what it is there, Maths is there, science is there, and so many branches are there of the science, understand, science is there. ठीक उसी तरह पोएट है, दुनिया में बहुत सारे कवि है बाबा, कवि इज अ कॉमन नेम, अंडरस्टैंड, बहुत सारे कवि है, कैसे कवि है, फॉर एग्जांपल कुवेम्पु इज देयर, विलियम शेक्सपियर इज देयर, इन द सेम वे व्हाट वी कैन से अनकाउंटेबल इज देयर, विलियम ब्लेक इज देयर, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी कैन से W.H. Longfellow is there. So these are the names of the poet. Poet is a common, whereas William Shakespeare, after that what we can say, William Blake, after that what we can say, after that what we have to say, what is the name, Kuvempu is there, Kuvempu, understand, Kuvempu is there, Kuvempu, Kuppali Venkatappa Puttappa, understand, Kuvempu is there. In the same way, Dara Bendre is there, understand, D.R. Bendre is there. Okay, so these are the names of the poets. So these are, poet is a common, whereas these are the names, these are particular. After that, movie is there, cinemas, uncountable cinema is there. What we can say, Zameen, Tare Zameen Pe is there. In the same way, what we can say, Bahubali is there. In the same way, Bajirao Mastani is there, Devdas is there, and so many what we can say, cinemas are there, understand. So song is there. Which are the songs are there? Folk songs also are there, devotional songs also are there, and as well as patriotic songs also are there, understand. So patriotic songs are there. In the same way, devotional songs also are there, and folk songs also are there, folk songs. Okay, ये पैट्रियोटिक, देशभक्ति पर गीत किए जाते हैं, ये डिवोशनल, कौन से हुआ, डिवोशनल भक्ति पर गीत है, अंडरस्टैंड, रिलीजियस, और उसके साथ साथ ये फोक सॉन्ग्स, यानी कि ये लोकगीत है बाबा, लोगों से लोकगीत क्या किए जाते हैं, वहीं पे बनाए जाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट ओशन, जैसे कि मैं आपको बताया, वे ऑफ बंगाल इज देयर, अंडरस्टैंड, वे ऑफ बंगाल इज देयर, वे ऑफ बंगाल. इन द सेम वे व्हाट इट इज देयर, Pacific Ocean is there, in the same way what we can say, Hindu Mahasagar is there, Atlantic Ocean is there. So what these are the examples of proper nouns. Remember my dears, थोड़ा ध्यान दे दो, प्रॉपर नाउन्स और कॉमन नाउन में क्या फर्क है? कॉमन नाउन का क्या होता है? कॉमन ये होता है, किंग है, क्वीन है, सीर है, पर्सन है, एनिमल है, फ्लावर है, रिवर है, सब्जेक्ट है, पोएट है, मूवी है, सॉन्ग है, ओशन है. लेकिन किंग कौन से हैं? Uncountable kings were just uncountable kings were there. Understand? In our India also, before 1947, understand, there were so many kings were there. But after the 1947, yes, democracy, what you can say, implemented in India in the year of 1950 or 52. So that is secondary matter. So after that, what you say, queen, yeah, along with king, there is no doubt there must be a queen. Understand? Elizabeth is there, Rani Lakshmibai is there, Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai is there, Veer Rani Kittur Channamma is there, Wanake Oberoi is there. Understand? See, Swami Vivekananda, सबसे अहम अगर एग्जांपल लेना है सिर का तो स्वामी विवेकानंद का. उसके साथ साथ पर्सन, हरि इज देयर, रामा इज देयर, सीता इज देयर, रावणा इज देयर, लक्ष्मण इज देयर, इस्माइल इज देयर, जबी इज देयर, so many other names are there. Animal is there, tiger is there, lion is there, giraffe is there, buffalo is there, ox is there, cow is there. In the same way, just today, I think you might have understood the difference between the common name and as well as the proper name. So guys, we will come in next video with a lot of energy, with new topic. Till then, take care. Please guys, if you like my video, like it, share it, and do not forget to do not forget to subscribe it. Till then, take care.